Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create the vertical blur and camera shake effects for your clips in CapCut. So first, just prepare the clips that you want to edit. Then go to the transition box, click on the blur category, then select the vertical blur transition. Okay, this one. Adjust it for 0.4 seconds. Click on a check icon and then go to the video effect, opening and closing, and select the vertical blur effect, this one. Okay, put it in between the clips like this. Okay, and now click on the effect, go to object and choose to all videos. Now add keyframe at the start of the effect and adjust the blur 0. Now go to the middle in between the clip here, another keyframe and blur 100, and go to the end of the effect, another keyframe and set the blur to 20. Okay, now add another effect, camera shake, that you can find on the nightclub category. Okay, this one, put it like the first one in here, then object all videos. Okay, now add a keyframe at the start, set the range and speed to 23. Okay, now and in the middle, set the range and speed to 95. Okay, now at the end, set all of the range and speed to 0. Okay, so if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps for all of the clips, and here will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.